Hello students, welcome to our next video of class 7 history chapter 9, the making of regional cultures. Students, in this video we will discuss about the Rajputs and tradition of heroism, beyond regional frontiers, the story of Kathak and painting for patrons. Well, let's start. The Rajputs and the tradition of heroism. Students, in the 19th century, the region that constitutes most of the present-day Rajasthan was called Rajputana by the British. While this may suggest that this was an area that was inhabited only or mainly by Rajputs, this is partly true. There were several groups who identified themselves as Rajputs in many areas of the northern and central India. And of course, there are several peoples other than Rajputs who live in Rajasthan. However, the Rajputs are often recognized as contributing to the distinctive culture of Rajasthan. These cultural traditions were closely linked with the ideals and aspirations of rulers. From about the 8th century, most of the present-day state of Rajasthan was ruled by various Rajput families. These rulers cherished the ideal of the hero who fought valiantly, often choosing death on the battlefield rather than face defeat. Students, in this map you can see the Rajputana, which is situated in at present Rajasthan. Students, stories about Rajput heroes were recorded in the poems and songs which were recited by specially trained minstrels. These preserved the memories of heroes and were expected to inspire others to follow their examples. Ordinary people were also attracted by these stories, which often depicted dramatic situations and a range of strong emotions: loyalty, friendship, love, valor, anger, etc. But there is a question: did women find a place within these stories? Yes. Sometimes they figure as the cause for conflicts, as men fought with one another to either win or protect women. Women are also depicted as following their heroic husbands in both life and death. There are stories about the practice of sati, or the immolation of the widows on the funeral pyre of their husband. So, those who followed the heroic ideal often had to pay for it with their lives. Now, come to the next topic, beyond regional frontiers, the story of Kathak. बच्चों, यदि शूरवीरता की परंपराएं भिन्न भिन्न क्षेत्रों में भिन्न भिन्न रूपों में मिल सकती हैं, तो डांस के बारे में भी यही सच है। तो आइए हम लोग डांस के एक फॉर्म कथक के इतिहास को देखें। यह नृत्य शैली उत्तर भारत के अनेक भागों से जुड़ी है। कथक शब्द कथा शब्द से निकला है, जिसका प्रयोग संस्कृत तथा अन्य भाषाओं में कहानी के लिए किया जाता है। कथक मूल रूप से उत्तर भारत के मंदिरों में कथा यानी कहानी सुनाने वालों की एक जाति थी। ये कथाकार अपने हाव भाव तथा संगीत से अपने कथावाचन को अलंकृत किया करते थे। 15वीं तथा 16वीं शताब्दी में भक्ति आंदोलन के प्रसार के साथ कथक एक विशिष्ट नृत्य शैली का रूप धारण करने लगा। बच्चों, अगर हम बात करें कथक को संरक्षण देने वाले लोगों के विषय में, तो मुगल बादशाहों और उनके अभिजातों के शासनकाल में कथक नृत्य राजदरबार में प्रस्तुत किया जाता था, जहां इस नृत्य ने अपने वर्तमान अभिलक्षण अर्जित किए और यह एक विशिष्ट नृत्य शैली के रूप में विकसित हो गया। आगे चलकर यह दो परंपराओं अर्थात घरानों में कूला और फला, राजस्थान का जयपुर घराना और लखनऊ घराना, अवध के अंतिम नवाब वाजिद अली शाह के संरक्षण में यह एक प्रमुख कला के रूप में उभरा। Students, classical dance forms require a great deal of skill acquired through long years of training. Or students, other dance forms that are recognized as classical at present are Bharatanatyam, which is belongs from Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, it belongs from Kerala, Odissi, it belongs from Odisha, Kuchipudi, it belongs from Andhra Pradesh, Manipuri, which belongs from Manipur, Satriya dance form, which is belongs from Assam. Students, in this map, you can see the different classical dance form and the location of the states from which they belongs to. Now come to the next topic, painting for patrons, the tradition of miniatures. So first of all, we will try to understand about what are miniatures. So students, miniatures are small sized paintings generally done in watercolor on cloth or paper. The earliest miniatures were on palm leaves or wood. Some of the most beautiful of these found in Western India were used to illustrate Jaina text. Students, the Mughal emperors Akbar, Jahangir and Shah Jahan patronized highly skilled painters who primarily illustrated manuscripts containing historical accounts and poetry. These were generally painted in brilliant colors and portrayed court scenes, scenes of battle or hunting, and other aspects of social life. But with the decline of Mughal Empire, many painters moved out to the court of emerging regional states. As a result, Mughal artistic tastes influenced the regional courts of the Deccan and the Rajput courts of Rajasthan. Students, another reason that attracted miniature paintings was the Himalayan foothills around the modern day state of Himachal Pradesh. By the late 17th century, this region had developed a bold and intense style of miniature painting called Basohli, and the most popular text to be painted here was the Bhanudatta's Rasmanjari. Now let's rewind what we have learned. The Rajputs contributed a lot to the distinctive culture of Rajasthan. They cherished the ideal of the hero. The term Kathak is derived from Katha, a word used in Sanskrit and other languages for story. Miniatures are small size paintings generally done in watercolor on cloth or paper. Now I will ask some questions to you based on today's topic. Your first question is, the term Kathak is derived from dash, and your options are A. Katha, B. Story, C. Poem, D. None of these. And your right answer is option A. Katha. Your second question is, dash are small size paintings, and your options are A. Miniatures, B. Portrait, C. Epics, D. None of these. And your right answer is option A. Miniatures. Your third question is, which one is not a classical dance? And your options are A. Bharatanatyam, B. Odissi, C. Bhangra, D. Kathakali. And your right answer is option C. Bhangra. Your fourth question is, Kuchipudi is a classical dance of dash. And your options are A. Kerala, B. Odisha, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. And your right answer is option C. Andhra Pradesh. Now it's time for practice. Students, these are the some of the questions for your homework. Students, we will present soon with the next video. Thank you.